After his sensational claims that he was offered a 14 crore rupee bribe by a newly retired officer, will Army Chief General VK Singh reveal who offered him a bribe? Now, questions are being raised on the timing of the Army Chief's revelations and on why has the government swung into action only now.
First, the stunning revelation.
एक व्यक्ति जो अभी रिटायर हुआ हो कुछ दिन पहले, और वो कई बातों के अंदर आपको ये कहे कि अगर आप ऐसा काम करेंगे तो आपको शायद ये चीज मिलेगी, और आपने ऐसी चीज कभी सुनी ना हो पहले, तो आप भौचक्के रह जाएंगे। आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा कि आदमी बोल क्या रहा है। और वही हुआ। उनको मैंने बोला कि आप चले जाइए, इससे पहले कि कुछ और हो, और बाद में मैंने यही बात जाकर अपने रक्षा मंत्री को बताई।
And then the denial from the man in the eye of a storm.
Only one clarification. Are you the person who went to the army chief and made this offer, the so-called offer?
Oh, no, never.
But the explosive claim by the army chief 2 months before his retirement, sending shockwaves across the country.
The integrity of the army chief, or the controversy can be about the army's best-kept secret, which is the role of middlemen.
No,
What is more important, sir, the role of middlemen or questioning the army chief?
On the question of somebody offering him at that time, he should have acted at that time individually.
Okay, fine.
He should have asked, if he was in his office, he could have stopped him.
Responses.
And got him arrested and told the defense minister, this is what has happened.
Questions also being raised on why the Defence Ministry did nothing to probe the allegation after the Army Chief's disclosure to AK Antony and chose to act only now after the General went public with his claim.
The CBI received instructions for an inquiry today. So is Mr. Anthony in this case once again doing too little too late, as was the case in the past with the controversy of the chief's age?
The controversy, however, has left a few unanswered questions. Why has the General not named the person who offered him the bribe? Why has no action been taken against the man who offered to bribe General Singh? Why has General Singh chosen to go public with his claim only now? And has the General released the information selectively after losing the age row to the government? Bureau Report, Times Now.